Yo guys, what's up? Monday 86 here, back with the 2004 Ford Sport Trac. Today we're bringing to you, wait for it, new rims and tires. The 15-inch aluminum rims and the Bfgoodrich all-terrain K02s. Gonna put them on and see how they look. Bye. I'll tell you why I went with the Bfgoodrich K02s. Plenty of room. You're probably thinking, Monday 86, why'd you go with the Bfgoodriches? Well, couldn't beat the price, or the design, or the fact that they won the 2017 Baja. So, there you go. Okay, let's get these wheels changed out. All right, we have the new wheels and tires on it. 32 11.5 R15 Bfgoodrich all-terrain K02s. Just a little bit of trimming up front. I'll show you right here. Just had to trim some of the plastic there. Had to trim a little bit of the plastic here. Other than that, looks pretty damn good. Hope you enjoyed. Monday 86, out.